Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create your first WIX website in like super easy and super simple steps. This will be like a general WIX website tutorial for beginners. So as you can see, WIX is an awesome website that's just like with the whole drag and drop stuff. It is super easy and convenient to use. So we're just gonna like get in there, see what we can do, see how it works, see how much stuff we can do, and of course, what are the special little details that we should be looking out for. So I'm just gonna go in there. As you can see, you can start for free. You will pay for like some premium features, but should be fine. We're just gonna get started and see what we can do. Of course, you have to log in. Why is this not in English? I have no idea. I'm just gonna say continue with Google and then log in with my account. I should already have an account here. Yes, I do. I'm just gonna create a new site, guys, so you guys can see everything that should be done. So when you open up the thing, it's all here. It's not a premium or anything, so you are getting the new starter experience as well, just like I will right now. So we're just gonna say create new site from the top right corner here, and then it will take us to here. We have three options here. Start from a blank canvas, start from a template, and generate a site structure with AI. I think that one's new. That one's was not here when I did this before. I will say generate a site structure with AI. So let's see what it can do with the help of AI. So we're just gonna go, what's the business type? I'm just gonna say like I'm a health, let's say health blog. Yeah, health blog. Describe your business. I help people with recipes, recommendations, and general health stuff like products to buy and or avoid. Choose the site's main service. It's to write a blog, or yes, it's to write a blog. Let's just say tech guys health blog. Health, yes. Where is the business located? US of A. Let's go. Who's the target audience? People above 18 and American. What makes this business unique? Yeah, let's just say it's vegan and eco-friendly. What's the main goal of the site? Help people with health choices. Choose the tone of voice. We will be friendly and of course confident. I will say continue. What would you like to generate? Visual sitemap and wireframes or visual sitemap only? I want to get wireframes as well. Let's just do that. And then it will start generating for us. And of course, when you click on that, it will start like generating, guys, with the power of the AI itself. So we're gonna see what it creates, and then we're gonna get that, and then we will be able to edit it to our heart's desire. It's generating sitemap and wireframes. Okay, that's cool. Mapping the site structure. This is not, it doesn't take that long, like from the loading bar. Like this is pretty quick. I wonder how much data is actually generated and how much of it is just like from the other templates people have created, because that's an issue. I wouldn't like to use anybody else's templates. If the AI is just like copying off of the other templates right now instead of like creating something actually unique, I wouldn't honestly use that. But like I said, we're just seeing what it does, what it can do. Okay, the actual like wireframes are pretty good. Okay. Okay, now we get our website. As you can see, like if I go back to the pages and the visual sitemap and everything, yes, this part is everything. I love this. The headers and the footers are all here, the whole sections, the resources, like everything, like every main article type we could want is here, and I can always add more of it. But of course, before that, I'm gonna go see the layers, because like as you can see, guys, we gotta like get in there. Yeah, this is okay. This is actually pretty good. Yeah, we can change the pages. Okay, resources, tips and advice. Okay, I'm gonna go to the visual sitemap and change the header. I gotta like change the header. Edit on canvas. Yes. Let's just change the business name parts. Yes, where is the changer here? Oh, edit text, yes. Tech guys health blog. Now it should be changing on all pages. We'll see, because since this was the header, yes, it automatically changes on all pages. This is good. This is what I wanted. And of course, like in the downside, 2030, what? Okay, we are gonna change that to by tech guy. No, I mean, we can also delete the built on WIX Studio part as well. Why not? Let's just do something like that. And of course, like we have a get in touch section and everything. Like this is basically everything we could have wanted. And of course, like if you don't like a part, you can like always see pages. Like change to any page. And like if you double click on a section and like keep clicking until you see the text, then you can like say edit, change it, get images, get the media from here as well. You can like add those images and everything, media files, to anywhere you want. Should be fine. We're gonna be getting a picture real soon. I'm gonna put this in the back. Not that back though. I want it behind the writings. Where is this? Oh, it just connected itself to every picture. Okay. The only negative thing I could say about this right now, when you started adding media, it kind of imploded. It's kind of imploding. Is it automatically? Okay, it is just adjusting. Yeah, okay, the move down doesn't work like that. I want to like put the writing on top of the thing. But of course, I don't think that's gonna be done with this one at least. There should be like a way to adjust. Like when I say move down, it shouldn't just like physically move it down. It should be like rotating them inside the layers, different layers. But of course, like this is all like personal preferences. But I hope this video helped you guys to make a website really easy. And of course, we hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.